what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Jungle D Outdoors. Today guys, I decided to do a small walk. Really, I don't feel like staying home all day and doing nothing really, so I've decided to come out here and get my feet dirty. It has been a long time I haven't posted any videos, so I'm just eager to do something today for sure, no matter how small it is. As we say, a little bit goes a very long way. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a small trail heading down to Honeymoon Waterfalls. I don't know if you guys have heard about this one here in Grenada, but it's a waterfall just a little to the side of Seven Sisters Falls. That's St. Margaret's Waterfalls, we say. So I'm going to go down to that side and head to the right, and that's the trail that should take you to Honeymoon Waterfalls. But there is no side trail, so you must get your feet wet. You have to get into the water to get up a little, some little rocks there guys. So I'll take you along as I go. So let's go enjoy the trail.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, you?
Enjoying the trail?
Oh.
So just had a little company on the trail, but these guys are going the opposite way. They just came from the Seven Sisters, or waterfalls I guess, and I'm sure there may be more on the trail. This is a very frequent trail. People go on a lot, the tourists, the locals. Oh yeah, easy does it, eh? There are some guys behind me that I met at the trailhead, so maybe they will catch up with me, or maybe not. I promise them once I get down, I probably will give them a little guide to the Honeymoon Waterfalls I was telling you about. So for sure, I'm going to have a little bit company on the trail. So this one I cannot say it's a solo. It's a solo for now. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. But it's a good thing I walk with my umbrella. Oh yeah, Jungle D in the jungle with an umbrella. Do you hear this? It's the sound of the Cross River. So here we are guys, St. Margaret's Waterfalls. We also call this Seven Sisters Waterfalls guys. Yeah, I think we got some company now. The rest of the guys catch up with me on the trail. Oh yeah, waterfall, nature, I love it. So I'm going to head a little closer guys. Head a little closer to that waterfall. Oh yeah, take a look at this, man.
Would you like to type of rocks here?
Wonderful, wonderful. So here I am, guys, right at the end. Like I said, it was going to be a very, very short trail, today. So what I did is I came up from Seven Sisters Falls. I traveled all the way through the back, and I came out here on this trail, as you can see right here. It's a cross trail. It's a cross trail right here. You can see that. Yeah. And now I just came from the top there. As you can see, this little trail here. This is Mount Labi, I think is the name of it. It's a little lookout point to the top there. So now I'm heading back out. I'm right at the end of my journey right now. So I'm going to be heading out to Monkey Bars, to have myself a drink, chill out a little bit, cool out, get myself cleaned up, and head back home. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos to come, and don't forget to hit that little bell on the notification bar. So whenever I post a new video, for sure, you will be the first to know. So thanks for watching. This is Jungle D Outdoors TV. See you guys